Let me ask you a hard question. If money suddenly disappeared from your life tomorrow, what would you still have left? If your answer is almost nothing, then this video might just change your life. We live in a world where people are terrified of losing what they have, yet obsessed with getting even more. Bigger home, nicer phone, better career never stops. Advertisers know our weaknesses. They don't just sell products, they sell status, identity, and validation. They tell us to upgrade our lifestyle, and if we don't have the cash, just swipe the card and worry about it later. For so many, the goal becomes looking successful, even if they're drowning in debt. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Reality eventually catches up. Buying things to feel valuable is like drinking salt water. It only makes the thirst worse. That quick rush you get from a new purchase boosts you for a moment, then drops you right back into emptiness. Money can buy comfort, but it cannot buy the things that truly hold life together. And today, we're going to talk about 3 of those priceless things. First up, money can't buy family unity. Let's talk about a teenager named Bree. Her family has more than they need: a beautiful house, the latest gadgets, luxurious trips. But you know what she doesn't have? Her father. He's always traveling, always working, always chasing the next promotion, the next big check. He thinks he's providing for his family, but what he's really doing is creating a void. Brienne says she barely sees him. She feels like he's forgotten that they need him, not just his money. Think about that. What regrets might he have later in life? What precious memories is he missing out on right now? The first steps, the school plays, the simple dinner conversations. Does his family truly need more money? Or do they need more connection? The truth is, money can buy a comfortable house, but it can't build a united family. Family unity doesn't come from financial transactions. It comes from presence, attention, and emotional investment. It's built through shared experiences and being there for each other. Through thick and thin, children don't remember the balance in your bank account. They remember how much you cared. They remember the time you spent with them. Money can buy comfort, but it can't buy connection. It can buy a house, but it can't build a home. The second thing money will never buy is genuine security. Take Sarah, a 17-year-old whose mother is constantly pushing her to find a wealthy partner or land a high-paying job, all so she never struggle. Her mom worries endlessly about income, bills, and the future. Her entire life revolves around the fear of financial loss. And while being financially responsible is important, there's a huge difference between that and living in a constant state of fear. When you tie your sense of security entirely to money, you will never feel truly safe. Why? Because money is fragile. It can be lost in a bad investment. It can be stolen. It can lose its value through inflation. Money cannot prevent illness, and it certainly cannot promise you a tomorrow. So, where does real security come from? It comes from things money can't touch. It comes from your resilience, your ability to bounce back from setbacks. It comes from your skills and your ability to adapt to new situations. It comes from your healthy relationships, the people who will support you no matter what. Real security is an inner strength, a mindset that knows you can handle whatever life throws at you. Money can be a tool to support your life, but it cannot be the foundation of your security. True safety is built on a foundation of character and resourcefulness, not just bank balances. And the third thing money can't buy? Personal contentment. A young woman named Tanya shared that she grew up in a simple home with just the basics, yet she was genuinely happy. She said, "We didn't have much, but we had peace." This is such a powerful statement. So many people today are not content because they're stuck in a cycle of comparison. They scroll through social media, looking at celebrities and influencers, and constantly feel like their own life isn't enough. When did enough stop being enough? We need to ask ourselves, what example are we setting for our families? Is our value tied to our possessions, or is it tied to our purpose? The truth is, money can buy pleasure, entertainment, and temporary bursts of happiness, but it can't buy deep, lasting inner peace. Real contentment is a choice. It's an internal state of being. It comes from having a sense of purpose, from practicing gratitude for what you already have, and from understanding who you are beyond your possessions. It's about appreciating the journey, not just chasing a destination you think will finally make you happy. Money can buy pleasure, but not peace. It can buy entertainment, but not fulfillment. So let's look at the bigger picture. Studies consistently show that materialistic people are usually more stressed, less happy, and more likely to struggle with both mental and physical health issues. It is alarming that even college students today often value making a lot of money more than developing a meaningful philosophy of life at the same time. Depression levels are on the rise. People turn to shopping as therapy because it provides a temporary sense of control in a chaotic world. But that control is an illusion. At the end of the day, happiness isn't found in shopping malls, bank accounts, or material trophies. Real power isn't in buying it, in knowing what truly matters. The real wealth in life comes from your family, your well-being, your peace of mind, your purpose, and your character. Money is a useful tool, yes, but it is not everything. And the day you truly understand that is the day you become truly rich. If this video opened your eyes even a little bit, hit that like button to support the channel. Drop a comment telling me which of the three things, family, security, or contentment too, feel people neglect the most today. And if you want more real-life, honest, and educational content like this, subscribe to Theophilus Connect and turn on notifications. Your growth journey starts right here.